In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for meeting notes in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to the board view where your work requests or meeting-related tasks live. You want to be in the main board inside your workspace so you can capture notes in the right place and keep everything connected to the work that comes out of the meeting. Once the board is open, take a second to confirm you are looking at the correct list and view because ClickUp can store boards for different teams or projects. Next, look for the ClickUp AI entry point. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an AI option in the menu bar, a button in the top area, or a panel you can open. Click the highlighted AI area to open ClickUp AI. This is where you will generate or format meeting notes quickly without having to write everything from scratch. After the AI panel is open, click the highlighted area again to place your cursor where you can enter your request. This second click is important because it ensures you are typing into the prompt field rather than clicking somewhere else on the page. If the cursor is not blinking in the text box, click once more inside the input area. Now type directly into the highlighted prompt field. Enter a clear instruction for what you want the AI to produce, such as meeting notes, a summary, or a structured set of action items. Use simple language and include key context from your meeting, like the topic, the team, and the main decisions. The more specific your wording is, the more useful the output will be. If you want a particular format, say so in your prompt, like a short summary followed by key points and next steps. Once your text is entered, you are ready to run the AI request using the normal ClickUp AI workflow in that panel, and then review what it generates before you use it in your workspace. Take a moment to scan for accuracy, adjust wording to match your team's terminology, and make sure the outcomes are captured clearly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.